test number 2. There's only one way to find out. Okay, the shelf has stopped. Oh, turning mechanism is much easier. However, in conclusion, test 2, 3 and 4 were better than test 1, but it's still not right. The shelf idea is good. I think I just need to hone it in a little bit. I'm going to redesign the wheel. Just going to have 1 scoop out of it rather than 2. And then I just need to make sure that when it spins exactly within those side pieces. I'm going to design it differently so that as it turns, it's more of like a scoop than just a hollow cutout. So yeah, a couple of things to think about, but stay tuned because I am going to get this to work.